This video is for you if you're going to Pattaya for 2 weeks and you're about to start packing your suitcase, because a lot of people make the exact same mistake. They overpack like they're moving to Thailand permanently and then spend the first 2 days exhausted, dragging luggage around, waiting for baggage, standing in queues and stressing over stuff they never even use. So in this video I'll show you what you actually need for a 2-week Pattaya trip, why traveling light gives you way more freedom, and how you can easily survive with just a backpack or a carry-on. And honestly, once you tried it, it's hard going back to giant suitcases again. One of the biggest advantages of traveling light is freedom. If you only have a small backpack or carry-on, everything just becomes so much easier. You can move around quickly, you can change hotel without needing taxis all the time. You're not dragging half your house around and through airports and hotel lobbies. And airport life becomes so much more or less stressful. No check-in baggage. No standing in long luggage queues, no showing up extra early just to hand over your suitcase. You basically just walk into the airport, go through security, grab a coffee and relax. And when you land in Thailand, that freedom becomes even more noticeable, especially after a long flight where your brain already feels half dead. So what do you actually need for a 2-week Pattaya trip? Honestly, not much. Unless you're bringing camera gear, laptops or special equipment, well, you can easily survive with 2 pairs of shorts, 4 t-shirts, 5 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of ankle socks, and maybe 1 shirt if you want to look slightly civilized one evening. That's basically it. And honestly, half the time in Pattaya, you end up wearing the same favorite shorts anyway. Well, if you mostly use sandals and flip-flops, you can even skip the socks completely. All that can easily fit inside a small backpack. But if you bring camera gear, drones or laptops or something like that, then a carry-on suitcase is probably the better option, because you get a little more space without going full oversized tourist mode. Now some people might panic at this point and think, but what happens after 3 days when all my clothes is dirty? Relax, laundry service is everywhere in Pattaya, and I mean everywhere. You find small laundry shops on almost every street, and it's incredibly cheap. Usually around 60 to 80 baht per kilo. So if you hand it in early enough, many places even finish the same day. Otherwise, usually you get it back the next day. And if you stay in a more expensive hotel, they probably also offer laundry service, although the hotel version is usually more expensive. That's why bringing 2 pairs of shorts is important. So you don't have to walk around Pattaya with your ass hanging out while your clothes are being washed. And by the way, merch is available now. You can order if you want. It's available all countries. It's through Fourth Wall, so enjoy. Well, I'll be back in Pattaya very soon. And while I'm there, I'm actually making a small guide about laundry service, in the city. Show the quality, the prices, and how easy it is to use these places. Because honestly, once you understand how easy laundry is in Pattaya, it's completely changed how you pack for your Thailand trip. So if you're planning your own trip soon, you might want to subscribe and follow along doing my June trip to Pattaya. And as always, see you in the next one.